Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to search music on TikTok. Go to TikTok from your apps list. Tap on the search icon from the bottom. Tap on the search box from the top. Now type the keyword of a music or song which you want to search in TikTok. And you can see all the song or music containing your keyword are showing as suggestion. If you want to find song or music, then tap on sounds. Select any of these. If you want to search another keyword, then clear this and again type in the search box. Again select any of these. You can also search for hashtags. For this, tap on hashtags. Again clear the search box and type any keyword. If you want to search for song or music with this keyword, then tap on sounds. So in this way you can search music on TikTok. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.